Hi, I'm Paul Basolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 17th question from the Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 17 reads, square A has side lengths that are 166 times the side lengths of square B. So a couple things. Number one, take it one step at a time. If you read the first sentence and there's something that you could do it. Second thing, draw it. If there's something to draw it. So I'm going to draw a little square, and I'm going to draw a bigger square. Now note, these squares are not drawn to scale. But if square A has side lengths that are 166 times the length of side squares B, geez, I can't talk. A is the bigger one. So label that 166 on the side. And label this one 1. What did I just do? I actually just picked numbers. It doesn't say the length of the side of square B is 1. It doesn't say the length of the side of square A is 166. But it's so easy to work with those numbers, 1 and 166. And then you have that relationship. It tends to be easier to work with numbers than to work with variables. I could have labeled this x and 166x, but you'll probably find that more confusing. So whenever it's easier to pick numbers, pick numbers. And then we've got the area of square A is k times the area of square B. So what you could do is you could find the area of square A is easy. It's 1 times 1. So this area equals 1. And this is square B. And this area equals, just throw it into Desmos. And what do? 166 squared is 27,566. 27,556. And by the way, it's 166, of course, it's length times width. If you ever forget, up here where it says reference, that's what you want to click on in the Bluebook app, and it'll tell you that they have a rectangle's length times width. Well, for a square, the length and width are the same. That's why you only need 1, and that's what you get. So the area of square A is k times, I could replace the k with 27,556. Of course, 27,556 is 27,556 times 1. The area of square B is 1. Okay, so what's your answer? Value of k? Notice I crossed out a k. I replaced it with 27,556. That is your answer. Type it in, move on, and thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these squares, or how this is worded is a little bit weird. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. And check out our 1-minute video. When you go to Ivy Masters Learning Center, find the playlist, and the shorter videos just below these longer videos. The playlist will go by test and module number. Also, the subscribe's going to be up here somewhere, and we've got another video about area, so you can check that out if you have trouble with it. Have a great day.